time again for the third time this year. No. Well, yeah, whatever. You get what I'm trying to say, but let's make it. Got our container. Baking soda, which we're not gonna add too much, because last time I actually added too much as well. I didn't understand. I don't understand how. But then we got our contact lens solution. And then our bowl and that and our chopsticks. Yeah. Okay, let's just, oh wait, we have our glue too. So let's add our glue in first. Well, that's what, oh my god. All right, we're done with that. Oh my god. Okay, come on. We're done. Okay, we just added our glue in. And let's pick a chopstick. Let's pick a side, everyone. Why did that sound so weird? It was like, let's put this in. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, we have a little bit in there, and I'm actually gonna add a teeny bit more. Not too much. We can't add too much. Too much is too much. So, okay, we added a good amount. I didn't realize, but I was looking, I looked on the video. Then I made the first slime video that I made, 2021. I didn't realize, but I literally poured the whole entire bag in, and that was so dumb of me. So we're gonna do it right this time. Yeah, that looks good. Why do all of my old slimes turn out well, but then these slimes are just turning out terrible? Terrible. Okay, let's go. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, I didn't add too much baking soda because it's actually clumping up. You see that? Yeah, well, that's clumping up, so I think I actually may have a good slime in the end today. Okay, I just had a long thought process, but yeah, we're not gonna mind that. And shove that in there and mix. Okay, now that it's actually clumping up a little more, I think I'm actually gonna be able to show you. Oh yeah. I don't want to get this little piece of glue stuck to me. That's funny. Oh, it's actually getting pretty thick. Ooh, nice. Do you see that? It's kind of, what? It's kind of coming off the bowl a little bit. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Guys, look at this. Ready? Oh my god. Whoa. I think I'm done activating it. I'm gonna try to see if it will come off the bowl. And if it does, then I'm gonna add more anyways, because I know it's not going to, because there's this residue-y, gluey particle thingies right here. I'm trying to get it. It's right here, and it's still glue. So I don't think it's gonna come off the bowl, but it's actually getting to the point where actually it might. Okay, I'm gonna play with just this little bit and we'll see what goes. what happens. Okay, look at that. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. That's a good slime right there. And I think just by kneading it, it might become like good. Cause I don't know. Oh my god. This is sticky but amazing. Whoa. Okay, okay. This is good. This is good. Okay. It kind of, so right here has that shiny look to it, but when you stretch it out, it looks like chalkboard. Chalkboard. If you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Okay. This isn't too bad. So we just need to get all of this stuff out of the bowl. So let's do that. Oh yeah, I don't have enough glue to do the whole bottle. So that's why the slime might be a little bit smaller than what you guys are used to seeing. Because I don't have enough glue, or as much glue as I used to. I'm literally staring at this bottle of glue. Oh yes, that's shining. Ooh, that's actually really nice. Okay, guys, this is super sick and lovely. When you go in like this, it leaves a little bit of residue on you, but I think that's just my hands. No, it does. It does. It definitely does. I don't know why. But yeah, it's quite good actually. Quite good. Looking at my other slimes and like, you know, is it actually that good? It's quite sticky, but it feels good, and that's what matters. And this is very, very sticky right now. Okay, please get off. Okay, this is making some progress. Yeah. Ooh. Something just happened with my table there. This looks so good. Oh, you can see like my things that are on the table. Okay. So, are you guys seeing this? It's great. It's getting so good. Like, just by, like, kneading it and playing with it, it's getting super duper good. Like, look at that. That honestly came off super well, and it's still super duper stretchy here. So, we're gonna try to make a slime swirl for the first time in a million years. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm tired today. I don't know why. But guys, look how amazing this slime is. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. So now that this slime actually is pretty good, there's still a little bit glue left in there, so I'm gonna try to get that out actually. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. Now that this is good, I'm going to put it to the test. So the first test is trying to stretch it. So obviously it can stretch, but can it stretch that well? So let's try. Oh my and I'm trying to go fast, but I'm kind of going a little slow. So now that it passed the slow test, we're gonna try to do the fast test. So let's just go. Whoa, okay, that was pretty good. So we're gonna be comparing this to my other slime. Now we need to see if it clicks. So I'm putting it right in front of you guys. There you go. And I'm gonna flatten it out because you can say that clicked. It might not have any sound, but it still clicked. I mean, like, what the heck? It's not clicking. Okay, well, we need to see if it pops next. So let's go for it. Okay, I'm putting this down. Okay, then we're gonna. That wasn't good pop. That wasn't a good pop. That just wasn't it. So, you know, it's fine. Oh my god, I almost dropped that. But yeah, it's getting worse. So now we need to compare this to our other slime. So we're putting it in our empty container. Bye. You're probably not gonna win. Just rub that in the dude's face. Okay, you get over there. Now let's pull out our slime that helped us the other day. Oh, there's still a little bit of slime left on here. Yeah, I'll deal with it later. My dearest pal, you can see it moving, and that means it's a pretty nice slime. And yes, it is a pretty nice slime. It's a really good slime, actually. So let's take it out. Come on, dude. Okay, this quite sticky. Okay. Oh, ugh. Quite sticky. Okay. This might need a little bit of activator. We're gonna put a little bit We're gonna put a little bit of activator in right now, just to make sure it survives. I guess my head's cut off, so probably cut off. Okay, I just put a little bit. I wish you guys could see this, but I'm like rubbing it in. It's actually a really super nice slime. Okay, girl. This is good. Let's do some ASMR. Okay, so obviously it passed the stretch test already, but we're gonna do another stretch test just to make sure it will pass. But still not good enough to be able to do that. So we're doing this. This is my favorite slime of all time. So if it doesn't pass the test, then it's going to be my least favorite slime of all time. So let's try to do the stretch test first, I guess. So we're gonna go slow first. If it drips all over my clothes, it's not my fault. Okay, ready? Ah. Okay, yeah, that definitely passed. Okay, that passed. Okay, now, how many times did I say okay? I don't know. We're not gonna worry about it. So, okay, let's do the faster one. Oh yeah. I actually kind of have to be fast. Oh my god, maybe we'll do a slime poop, whatever it's called. Slime swirl. I said it earlier. Okay, actually, we need to do a slime swirl for the next one because we're going to see how it pops. Well, actually, we can just do this. But, you know, we need the best of the pops. Hold on. I wish you can hear that, but... Okay, that was a good pop. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's make a slime swirl now. Oh my god. How do you cut this? Okay. Oh my god. We still have this much. We can make another slime swirl. Okay. Oh, it didn't even pop. Okay, ready? Hold on. Okay, that wasn't too good. But maybe we just need a little bit of a smaller piece. So let's get a smaller piece. Then we're going to be comparing it to another slime. Actually, maybe not. We got a small slime, probably the same size as the one we just made, maybe even bigger. But let's make a slime swirl. So, yeah, this, I definitely say that this is way easier to make because it's not as big. And I'm just going to end it off here. And I know you're supposed to, like, tug it under. So, today I made slime, obviously, and it was super fun. It was super duper fun, and I had to cut it off a teeny bit short. But it was fun to make today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed both of my slimes that I showed today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!